Before we start the installation, let's open the package, identify the parts of the ceiling fan, and make sure that we have everything we need for the installation. Great! Now that all the parts are in front of us, we can start the installation. Attach the hanging bracket to the ceiling and secure it using the suitable screws. Connect the main supply to the terminal block. Loosen the screw of the ball joint and remove the pin of the ball joint. Thread the wiring through the motor parts. Place the down rod on top of the fan's motor housing and align the holes. Insert the pin through the extension rod and insert the security pin. Reassemble the ball joint and ensure proper installation of the ball joint pin and the ball joint screw. Carefully lift the fan motor. Place the ball joint in the hanging bracket so that the groove is located in the slot. Place the receiver into the hanging bracket with the flat part facing up. After the ceiling fan is properly hung, connect the terminal plug connector. Lift the ceiling cover over the hanging bracket. Rotate the ceiling cover and tighten the screws. Cover the screws with the decorative cover. Insert the screws through the blade and partially screw them. Repeat this process for all other blades. Tighten all screws to the motor. Rotate the bottom cover counterclockwise. Loosen the screws. Connect the terminal plug connector. Attach the light cover to the light base and tighten the screws. Now, connect the light fitting. That's it! Your ceiling fan is installed.